Hello students, welcome to Abel Online. Today we are going to discuss arithmetic progression. So this is the topic of 10th class, but not only 10th class, this is a topic of 10th class and 11th class also. So today's video is going to be interesting. So watch this video carefully. And today we are going to discuss some important facts about the arithmetic progression. What is the principles of arithmetic progression? So this is a very initial information about the 10th class students. So this is a very important information. So what is the arithmetic progression? When we are saying about the arithmetic progression, we can say that an arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers. Means there are a lot of numbers that are in sequence. What is a sequence? Sequence like a lot of things, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a sequence. Maybe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is a sequence. Maybe 3, 6, 9, 12. This is a sequence. So we can say a lot of numbers are there that is having a sequence of numbers. So the numbers would be in sequence. So arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference of d between each consecutive term is constant. Means consecutive terms means maybe always same, and that may be a constant value, that is the d. So what is the d and what is the general term? When we are saying about the general term, we can say that a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, dot. Last one is a plus nd, and before it, what is the term? A plus n minus 1d. So always remember that a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, and last one is a plus n minus 1d. So these are the elements of arithmetic progression. So when we are saying about the general term of this is a general term. So this is a general term a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. So what is the d? So when we are saying about the d, so we can say that suppose a, b, c, d are in AP. Suppose a, b, c, d are in AP. So what is the a, b, c, d are in AP? Suppose if a, b, c, d are in AP, so we can say that b minus a or c minus b or d minus c equal to d. Means maybe difference between b minus a is the same, that is the d. C minus b, it is the same, that is the d, and d minus c is also same value, that is the d. If we can say that both values are same, so we can say that this is a d, otherwise it is not a d. So in arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between each consecutive term is constant, that is the difference is d. Okay students, so what is the d? We are going to elaborate some more things, that suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot and so on is a number that is in AP. So what is the d? So we can say that d is 2 minus 1 or 3 minus 1. 2 minus 1, it is a 1, so it is a d. Okay, so it is a d. We can say that d is 3 minus 2, maybe 1. Maybe d is equal 4 minus 3, it is also 1. Maybe d equal 5 minus 4, so it is also 1. So you can use any data of this. So we can say that when we are saying about the d, so we can say 2 minus 1 or 3 minus 2 or 4 minus 3 or 5 minus 4, this is a d. So this is the value of d. So we can say that how can we find the value of d? We can say that this is a process to find the d. Now we are taking some other example, like suppose a question is, example is d, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8 dot and so on is given. So what is the d? What is the d? D is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, d equal 6 minus 4 means it is a 2, so d equal 8 minus 6, it is a 2. So we can say this is the process to find the d. Okay students, this is the process to find the d. So this is the initial information about the d. So what is the d? D at here, it is a d. So one more thing is there, that sir, you told me about the general term, that is it is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, dot 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 a plus n minus 1d. Then sir, is it possible that its term before it, is it a minus d, it is a minus 2d, is it a minus 3d, is it a minus 4d, is it by this way we can say that this is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d plus a plus n minus 1d. Same way, by this way we can say that this is a minus d, a minus 2d, a minus 3d, a minus 4d. So when questions are related to suppose there are 3 numbers, these are in AP, we can write here these 3 data. So we can take 3 data. This is a very simple way to find the question, solve the question. So always remember, then when we are saying about the suppose 3 data of AP are, suppose we have to find the value of A and D. So how can we solve? We have to take A minus D, A and A plus D. It's solve question very simply. Now suppose 5 numbers are in AP, so we can write here these 5 numbers. So why it is very tricky? Because 2D is cancelled by 2D, D is cancelled by D, so remaining part is the A. So it is very simple to find the values. So always remember, when we have to find the 3 data or 5 data or 6 data, always remember that we have to use this way. This is a very simple method to find the values. Okay, so these are the values. This is a general term. Now nth term. Nth term of an AP. So what is the nth term? When we are saying about the nth term, it is denoted by Tn. Tn equal a plus n minus 1d. This is the nth term of a plus n minus 1d. So how can we find? What is the a? A is the initial term. A is the initial term. Suppose data is 1, 2, 3 dot 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 is given. What is nth term? So what is the a? A equal 1. What is the d? D equal 2 minus 1, it is 1. What is the n? N is the same. Nth term we have to find. So use the formula Tn equal 1 plus n minus 1 and d is the 1. So Tn equal 1 plus n minus 1. So 1 is cancelled by n, so it is n. So we can write here what is the n term? N term is 1, 2, 3 dot 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 n. N term is n. Okay, so this is your answer. Now next topic is related to Sn, sum of nth term. What is the formula of sum of n term? The formula of sum of n term is Tn Sn. It is denoted by Sn equal n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Sn equal n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is the formula, students. So this is very important to find the Sn. So what is the Sn for suppose question is same 1 2 3 4 5. What is the n term of this? When we are using question, suppose example is 1 2 3 dot 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 and so on, and what is the sum of nth term? So when we have to find the sum of n term, so what is the a? A is a 1, d equal 2 minus 1, it is 1. So Sn equal n by 2, it is a n by 2, 2a 2 into 1 plus n by n minus 1, it is a n minus 1, and d is 1 d is 1. So Sn equal n by 2, it is 2 plus n minus 1. So we can say that it is n plus 1 by 2. It is n plus 1 by 2, students. So this is a very important topic. Sum of n term is n plus 1 by 2. Now this is enough for today. We meet in next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.